So this is going to be a video on how to use Corrscope, and that is the tool I use to render my songs like in an oscilloscope. That's how you see the sound waves. And the a cool thing about Corrscope is it's a weird thing where it makes the waves just it's easier to look at them. It just makes them stay like still, I guess. It's weird. Because if I try to go to this one, which is like a oscilloscope I found online, and I just go to my songs. You see how it just goes across the screen? Um, in Corrscope, it I'll show you later. But anyway, this is how to use it. Sorry for the delay. You go to you pick out the sound that's gonna play, and then you have to so I download um a file for like each channel, and that's how you see um all the different sound waves instead of just one. So yeah, that's how you do it, and you can add a label to them, but I don't feel like doing that. uh you can go, then you just press preview to see like what it looks like before you download it. Give it a second. This is running on a laptop. It's not gonna be the fastest thing ever. Um well, let's wait. And that's how I do it. And if I just press render to video, it downloads it. That's how to use it. Um yeah, this is a really good tool. And subscribe, and also bye.